The residence is ultimately about creating quiet, immersive living environment, a home where light defines space, nature become parts of the interior, materials age gracefully. Hi, I'm architect Yahya, principal architect of Form Architects for the residential renovation project. This residence is designed as a calm, inward-looking home that balances openness with privacy, responding carefully to its tropical context. At its core, the project explores how light, material, and spatial layering can create serene living experience, one that feels both contemporary and deeply rooted in its environment. It's not just visually minimal, but experimentally rich. The site is located at Manjari, Kerala. It's a village area where we have a paddy fields and lush vegetation surrounded. When we first approached this project, it's a 21-year-old building. Its contemporary take on traditional Kerala architecture, often referred to as a Kerala style villa. Our primary goal was to modernize the living spaces without breaking the main structure, create a more functional and open concept layout for a growing family. We recognized the potential in this property. Our design aimed to unlock that potential, transforming into a space that is not only aesthetically pleasing but also highly functional and tailored to the homeowner's lifestyle. Our design philosophy for this renovation centered on maximize natural light, creating seamless indoor-outdoor transitions. This renovation is more than just an update. It's a transformation that has breathed new life into this home, making it a truly special place for its residents.